I wasn't actively looking for a new trading platform. Actually, I came across the AlterHill Group website by accident after hearing it mentioned in several conversations. One of the first observations was the absence of psychological pressure, commonly associated with financial platforms. Right from the initial access, the interface conveyed a calm and non-intrusive environment. There are no promotional distractions, aggressive calls to action, or visually invasive ads. Instead, the platform allows users to navigate freely and independently. This design philosophy positions AlterHill Group in a distinct way compared to many competitors. The initial user experience is not characterized by excitement, but by an intentional and restrained simplicity. Over time, this understated presentation reveals itself to be functionally efficient. In the trading industry, this practicality is often more valuable than aesthetic appeal. The architecture of the platform is intuitive without appearing to be oversimplified. Navigation between charts, financial instruments, and order execution panels is seamless, and the main features aren't hidden behind excessive layers of menus. The workflow remained agile enough so that the interface quickly faded into the background compared to the trading process. However, the customization options for the workspace are relatively limited. Traders who rely on extensive interface customization might see this as a restriction.
On the other hand, this limitation contributes to a consistently clean and organized visual environment,
which indicates a deliberate emphasis on usability over extensive configuration. AlterHill Group offers access to a diversified range of asset classes, including foreign exchange markets like Forex, stocks, and indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. The ability to move from one market to another within a single platform improves operational efficiency. The primary strength doesn't lie in the number of available instruments, but rather in the platform's navigation design. The search function is fast, asset categories are structured in a logical way, and creating watch lists is efficient. As noted, the system seems optimized for traders who manage exposure in multiple markets simultaneously. However, the absence of certain niche or highly specialized instruments may be evident to very advanced users. Although it's very unlikely that it will affect the majority of the traders, the account structure is simple. While several account levels are offered, the differences are mainly related to the trading conditions and the services that are included, more than with the functionality of the platform. This approach simplifies the incorporation process and reduces unnecessary complexity. Registration and identity verification follow standard industry protocols and don't disrupt the user flow. The deposit and withdrawal processes were consistent and predictable, without any exceptional speed or significant delays. However, the way the differences between the account levels are presented could definitely benefit from more clarity to make comparing them much faster. The security measures align with industry standard practices, including identity verification procedures and controlled access protocols. The platform doesn't resort to excessively marketing-oriented technical language regarding security, which can bolster credibility through a discrete implementation. The interactions with customer service were professional and informative. The responses accurately addressed all of the queries related to the platform, although not always in an immediate manner. As reflected in this comprehensive review of AlterHill, the quality of service remains reliable, despite occasional variations in response times during periods of high activity. Overall, I can say that I found a platform designed with focused functionality instead of an overload of features. The emphasis is placed on stability, access to multiple assets, and an optimized user interface. While it may not offer the most dynamic visual experience on the market, its operational balance and practicality make it suitable for traders looking for a distraction-free trading environment. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe, give it a like, and hit the notification bell.